In this video, I will show you how to set up secure VPN on your smartphone. First and foremost, make sure that you have secure VPN installed on your smartphone. So tap on Google Play Store and then search for secure VPN. Once you search for secure VPN, tap on the first icon over here and then it's the one over here with the light blue icon with a key. So install it. After installing it, tap on open. So once you tap on open, it will then start checking your network settings, finding the best server for you, and then testing your speed. So it has some ads, so you have to bear with that. Alright, so now to set it up, tap on this globe-like icon and then choose a server of your choice. So I'll choose a server of United Kingdom. Once you choose that server, it will automatically connect. As you can see, it is connected. And if I scroll down over here, you can see it is connected. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next video once again.